how to make condensed resins in Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to get or make condensed resins in Genshin Impact. So in order to make condensed resins in Genshin Impact, you have to follow the steps. First of all, let's get started by understanding what is condensed resins. Now it is one of the consumable items that are in Genshin Impact. So the item falls into this category, will disappear after use. So other items including in consumable items are dream solvent and all of these. But then to prepare or make condensed resins, you have to follow the steps. The first thing is, after understanding what condensed resins and its effort are, now we can go ahead and prepare it. So first thing, you have to earn the instructions, condense resins and use it from storage. So you can craft these items. To get it, you must be reputation level 3 in Luya. And after that, you can approach the nearest craft bench and select it from the list. To start the process, you need few other items, that is crystal core, original resins, and mora as well. Now you have got the item that you need. By using the items, you will get 200 adventurous XPS. To use these items, you have to go ahead and follow the steps. So that's basically how you can make condensed resins in Genshin Impact. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.